My name is Sankofa Mukulu. I'm the People's National Party candidate for the Mineral Rights Division. And I also want to take this opportunity to big up all the communities within the division. Mineral Rights Division represents a true microcosm of what real Jamaica is, where we have formal and informal communities, and communities with amenities, communities without. I want to partner with you in order to ensure that every resident within the Mineral Rights Division has the same opportunity. Access to water, light, proper drainage, road network, and also to work with the community members to ensure that we engage our unattached youths, to partner with the youths that are attached and focused, to help to train others so that we can have the best place in the Southeast Clarendon. Vote for me, Sankofa Mukulu, on November 28th, the People's National Party. With the people, for the people.